A very good day to all my dear friends and welcome back to another episode on my channel. Today's recipe is also again for Navaratras. Let's make Farali Dahi Vade or Vrat Wale Dahi Vade. This recipe is one of the easiest one. The vadas come out so good, nice and soft. You won't believe that they are not made with urad dal. So shall we proceed? Farali Dahi Vada. Very delicious and filling dish to make and enjoy during Navratra fasting. The ingredients list is shared in the description box. You can check it out. Now let's begin the process. I've already boiled half cup of samak ke chawal with 1 cup of water and little salt. This is how the samak ke chawal look. They are also known as sav, bagar, many names in Hindi. English they are known as barnyard millets. Since we need the cold rice, I have already cooked it. So you can soak them for 1 hour and then cook it to a softer consistency like this. Now once it is cooled, transfer it into a wider platter or a bowl. 2 boiled potatoes will require as needed, maybe 1.5. Grate and add it to the cooked rice, barnyard millets. Mix both of them together. Now add 2 green chillies finely chopped, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, salt to taste. We are adding senda namak. Add salt very carefully because the rice, samak rice, is already cooked with little salt. 1 teaspoon each of chopped cashew nuts and raisins. They really give a lovely taste to dahi vadas. Some coriander leaves, finely chopped. Now give a nice mix to all these ingredients until they are very well combined. It's better done with hand. You can see, gather the dough. Now grease your palms and shape the vadas. You can shape them round or slightly flatter, any way you like. I prefer round ones. The mixture is so perfect. The vadas are coming out nice and round. This way shape all the vadas. Meanwhile heat the oil in a pan. Drop in 1 vada first to check if it is breaking or splitting. If it doesn't, then add more. In case it is breaking, you can roll it little in that kuttu ka atta, water chestnut flour. Now I've added few more, dividing the vadas into 2 portions. From this portion you can get about 12 or 13 vadas. Keep turning them frequently so that they get fried on all the sides. Once they are done, you can remove them. Now in the same way, fry the remaining vadas as well. On the side, you keep a bowl of water ready. Immediately drop the vadas into the water. Add as many as you are going to serve. The remaining can be stored in the refrigerator. Later you could put them in warm water and again assemble them with curd and everything. After 5 to 7 minutes, they would be soaked very well. Squeeze out the water gently with light hands. Don't mash them up too much. The texture is just perfect, soft and nice. Now you can add all the toppings. To prepare yogurt, first take it in a bowl as much as you require. Add little salt. Of course, we use senda namak during fasting days, and some drinking water. If you like them chilled, you can add chilled water. Whisk it together with a balloon whisk until all the lumps are gone. You get a smooth and nice texture of the yogurt. Since we are going to add sweet chutney later, I am not adding any sugar to it, only salt. Now line up the soaked vadas in a serving platter. This is one of the easiest vada recipe that you can make during the fasting days. You will be amazed at the results. Do give them a try. Pour the whisked yogurt on top of them. Next, sprinkle some roasted cumin powder. You can even sprinkle some red chilli powder if you want. Our family eats mild food, so I've added green chillies in the vadas. That's enough for us. Now spoon little chutney on them. This is the Farali chutney. You can check out the recipe I've already shared. I've made it slightly liquidy so that it gets poured on the vadas, gets mixed up nicely, and some sweet tamarind chutney. Pour with a small spoon on top of the vadas. Lovely. Now add some pomegranate arils or seeds. They look so nice and colorful. Farali Dahi Vadas are ready. Make and enjoy. Let's do the tasting. I can't wait to taste them. I'll also show you the texture inside. Look at the vadas, how they break easily and they are soaked very well inside. Nice and soft. Plus with all the seasoning, cumin seeds, chutneys, they taste yum. Thank you all for watching and stay tuned for more Navratra recipes coming up. Bye. Have a nice day.